Hi, today we're installing a dashcam on Ford Ranger Wildtrak 2023. It comes with a special cable. When your car is parked, this will allow you to give the power to your camera at the right time. If your car gets pushed, the camera will go on automatically and record the accident. So it went from here up there, like that, like so, till there. Now I need to go under this dashboard to connect it. So basically what we need to do now is to find 12-volt battery when you start the car. Then we need to find continuous power even when you switch off your car. And we need to find a good ground here. That's it. Now we need to find continuously power here on those fuses. So I've been looking around and I found this one. If I ground it, we have 13 volts. This fuse goes on when we start the ignition. There you go. And when I switch it off, it goes away. Perfect. So once again, this one here, this one here has always power on it, and that one there, it goes online when you start the car. Now ground goes here. So this one is always power. I am going to do it this way now, but this is wrong. Normally you have to use connectors to separate that, but at the moment we don't have them. This will be our temporary solution. And this one goes to ignition. I mean power when you start your car. Same story here, you need to use the right connector, which we don't have. The installation is complete. Now all you need to do is to download your Garmin Drive application and install it on your phone, configure it. Then you can see all the recordings through your phone. You also need an SD drive to be able to record your data, which you'll have to purchase apart. It just goes in here, like so, and we're done. If someone is interested, we will leave the link in description below with the different models of those dash cams if you need.